What's up guys, it's Meaty Mike. Thanks for coming out. Today I'm smoking up a cheesecake. Look, I'm gonna be honest with you, I have no idea what I'm doing. There are some things in this world that I am well versed in, and there are many things that I am not. And I assure you that baking is not one of those things. This is gonna be the first cook on my channel with no meat in it, but that's okay. This channel is about trying different things, it's about trying new things, and I love cheesecake. That's my favorite dessert. I'm starting simple with a smoked cheesecake. Smoked desserts are very popular. You'll see a lot of videos out there, but I ain't getting all fancy because, again, I don't bake. So this is gonna be a test run. Hey, if it works out well, we'll do a lot more smoked desserts down the road. I think the last time I actually baked something, it had to be like, when was the last time I baked something? It was 7th grade. We had to bake a cake for science class. It had to look like a cell. I'm pretty sure me and my team got like a B on that. So that experience is about to carry over to right now. So I have a lot of stuff here. I have some stuff for our filling, for our crust. I'm gonna move this all to the side. We're gonna start simple and start with our crust. So I have a small food processor here. Bigger one will be a lot more helpful. 2 packages of graham crackers, some brown sugar, and then I have some butter on the stove, and we'll get all of that going right now. So you're gonna wanna start. Get your graham crackers. Get them in your food processor. We're gonna mix them up to get them into a crust-like consistency. So you're gonna wanna do that for all 2 packs of your graham crackers. And it'll look something like that. Nice and crumbly. Do that for all of your graham crackers. Put them in a bowl. And then we'll mix our other ingredients together for the crust. Get all your graham crackers, get them in your bowl. Beautiful. All right, now to this graham cracker crust. We have 5 tablespoons of brown sugar. Then fresh off the stove, we have 2 sticks of unsalted butter. Pour it right in, nice and melted. Now it's gonna be a lot easier. Get yourself some gloves and just mix up your graham cracker crust. Oh yeah. Woo! Get it all nice and mixed, and what you want is a nice consistency like this, because we're gonna take this and now put it in our pan to form our crust. Get it nice and sticky. So now we have our 10-inch spring form pan. So this is for a 10-inch cheesecake. Might get to the top, might not, don't matter none. Get your graham cracker crust, start putting it in. Bottom of your pan. Press it down, form your crust. We do want to try to go, you know what? I don't know why I'm wasting my time. There, now that's checked. You want to try to get it up to the side. All right, and to give you an idea, that's about what your crust should look like. Line it up good, that'll work. Now we're gonna want to take this and put it in the oven for about 8 minutes at 400 degrees to help firm it up a little bit. Making a mess. Clean this up. I'll just put this all on the floor. Now we're gonna get ready to prep our cheesecake filling. All right, now we have everything here to get our cheesecake filling prepped and ready. We're gonna start with 5 blocks of cream cheese, room temp, get it nice and soft, make it easy to mix. To that, we're gonna add 1.5 cups of brown sugar. Then I have 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Get your hand mixer. I'm left-handed, this is gonna be tough. And mix up your filling. All right, that's looking pretty good. Now we're gonna put this, shake it off, to the side, and we're gonna add 5 eggs to our filling one at a time. Add an egg, beat it up a little bit, add your second egg, beat it up, and so on for all 5 eggs. Another thing I'm really good at, cracking eggs. And that one wasn't too shabby. Beat it up. One egg down. Get your second egg. Beat it up. All right, that looks pretty good. A good consistency for cheesecake filling. It's been about 8 minutes. We're gonna take our pan with our crust out of the oven and put our filling into the pan. All right, get your pan out of the oven. Might be hot, be careful. Get yourself a spatula or whatever you got, and we're just gonna start dumping our cheesecake filling into the pan. Oh, yeah. Spread it out, get it nice and even. All right, and we're just about done. Looks pretty good. Again, your pan might be hot. Grab a towel or two, grab your pan, and just drop it a couple times. Want to get those air bubbles out of the cheesecake. Awesome. It's a lot of work. Be patient, but it's okay. It's gonna be worth it. Cheesecake, beautiful. Let's go pop it right in the smoker. All right, y'all, so we're out here at the Grilla Grill Silverbac. We got it going at 300 degrees. I'm mixing it up a little bit with the pellets and mixing some pecan and cherry pellets from Bear Mountain Barbecue to fuel up this cheesecake. It's really simple, putting it right in the smoker and letting it go for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. So once we hit that time, we'll come back out and we'll check on our cheesecake. All right, y'all, so we're right at the 2 hour mark. Let's take a look at our cheesecake. Oh yeah, looking really good. Has some great dark color from taking in all that smoke. Get yourself some gloves. Pull your cheesecake out. So look, from here, our cheesecake is done. You can take it out and slice it and serve it warm, but that's kind of gross. So I'm gonna put it in the fridge overnight, let it get nice and cool. So tomorrow we'll take out our cheesecake and eat. So our cheesecake has been sitting in the fridge overnight, pulled it out right now, took it out of that springform pan, nice and firm, good and cool. I had dreams last night, imagining how delicious this cheesecake would taste, and I am ready. To recap what we did a little bit, again, we just mixed up that cheesecake filling, put it together with our crust, put it in the smoker at 300 degrees for about 2 hours. I pulled it right out, but you can also stick a toothpick in, do the toothpick test. It should pull out clean. That's when you can also tell that your cheesecake is done. It did sink a little bit, but I'm not too concerned about that. Cheesecake's pretty forgiving. So I'm not wasting no more time. We're gonna slice right into our cheesecake. Oh yeah, get a nice slice. Looks fantastic. A nice slice of smoked cheesecake. And I'm just gonna get a couple other slices because I have some toppings I'm gonna put on. Very nice. So we have a plain smoked. We have some cherry topping. Some blueberry topping. And there you have it, 3 slices of some gorgeous looking cheesecake. Now you just gotta take a fork and dive right in. Move some stuff around, get ready to eat. We'll try the plain one first. Hats off to the chef. That's really good. You have that good smoke flavor. That's where that good color comes from on top. Try the cherry. Man, I'm gonna eat this whole cheesecake all by my own darn self. Try the blueberry out. You know, I said before, I was gonna see how this goes and then maybe I'll do more desserts in my smoker, and this came out just as I was hoping that it would. More cherry. I love cheesecake, but putting it in your smoker just makes it that much better. Do yourself a favor, mix up your filling, mix up your crust, pop a cheesecake in your smoker. It's gonna be a perfect smoked dessert. You're gonna love it. Thanks for coming out. Stay tuned for the next video. Smoked cheesecake.